These are the top 3 reasons why people hesitate before getting their solar. So myth number 1, baka mabutas yung bubong namin. Here is the truth. Professional installers use proper mounting systems. These systems are watertight. The panels actually shield your roof from direct rain and heat. Myth number 2, magkakakalawang yung mga parts. Here's what people don't know. Yung mounting hardware natin, yung panel frames, lahat ng metal parts are anodized aluminum frames. These panels also use tempered glass, stainless steel hardware. The engineers who designed these panels knew exactly where they were going to be installed. And the last myth, paano pag tag-ulan? Paano pag maulap? Wala namang araw. Solar panels run in daylight. So kahit walang direct sunlight, gumagana pa rin ang solar panels mo. Kahit cloudy, it never goes to zero. And because of that, yung return on investment natin dito sa Pilipinas is actually one of the best in the entire region. So, if may iba pa tayong narinig na myths about solar, i-comment natin. Let's talk about solar together.